Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Richie here, where I talk about my favorite thing in the entire world, cryptocurrency. That's right, it's Monday morning, Crypto Mischief CEO exercise complete. Legs, Monday, brutal. So, in this video today, I will be showing all of you how to buy an AI agent license with Swarm on Sui Chain. Let's just get to the computer. I'm gonna have a shave and a shower, and then we're gonna get straight into the action. Okay, see you soon. Okay, now it's brought up once my wallet is connected, and then I can come in and buy now. All right, so I'm at the computer, and we're ready to get our nodes. I need to bridge some funds first to Sui, so I'm gonna do that. Then we're gonna get our node. Everyone in the whole house is excited. The cat is extremely excited, as you can see. Yes, got anything to say about this? Yeah, as usual. Full of words. And it is coming up for Chinese New Year. Tomorrow's Chinese New Year Eve. So for all of our Chinese followers, subscribers, Xin Nian Kuai Le, let's get this party started. Yeah, this thing is not annoying at all. All right, sorry. But yeah, we'll put that somewhere. Right, so what we got to do is bridge from, I'm going to go from BSC and Arbitrum chain to Sui chain for the agent sale. This is for Swarm. These are passive income AI agent licenses. You will not only earn passive income from them, but you will be able to create your own AI agent with their help. Perfect, right? This is everything I want and more. The founder is well known. He has successful projects in the past. They have funding from Google Cloud. 3 million seed round was just completed. We have some updates on how the sale will all work. Let's just get into everything. First thing you want to do then is come to, well, in my Telegram, I do have a link. It's also in the description of this video for joining the Swarm. It is attached to my referral link. You will need a referral link to purchase them. My code is Richie, R-I-C-H-I-E. So we'll click on that, where it's got a pretty cool introduction to everything. You know, it's quite exciting the way it all works, actually. It's just establishing the secure connection, access granted. Referral code is Richie. Greetings, truth seeker. Your quest for knowledge has led you here. Preparing secure channel. 1 hour and 20 minutes until I can actually use my USDC, which is why I'm bridging in advance, just in case, because sometimes, you know, bridges get clogged and these kind of things. Once the sale is open, we will be able to actually buy. So I'll be fast forwarding an hour as well for this video just to do that. So I need to bridge. I need to bridge to Sui chain. So Sui today is down 13%, which is fantastic because I'll be bridging funds over to it. So I'll be getting more Sui for my coins, right? But of course, I'll be swapping that into USDC for the sale. I'll be leaving some of that as Sui though, because this is also a great opportunity to scoop up some cheap Sui coin. Sui has obviously been on a complete tear recently, going from that 73-cent mark in August all the way up to $5, and now it's sitting at $3.58. Nice stuff. The first thing you're going to need to interact with the sale is a Sui wallet and Sui coin on that wallet. Now, not everyone I know is on Sui. I do suggest that the best wallet for this is Sui Wallet because it links with your Gmail, and then it just opens you up an account and gives you an address that you can send to. That's what I use, and you can find them at suiwallet.com. So for bridging, in the last video, I did tell you to use the one on Cetus, but I will be using this one today because it's good for going from all kinds of chain. This is Rocket X, link in the description. I'm going to leave the link for going from BNB to Sui. You can see it, set it up right here. I'm going to send 1.1 BNB over, which is $716, and I'm going to get 197 Sui coins from that. All I've done is I've copied my Sui chain address. So I'm connected up here with my MetaMask or Rabi wallet, my EVM wallet, right, which is Binance Smart Chain. And I've added my recipient address here, which is my Sui wallet address. And then I just click cross-chain swap, right? This is pretty cheap. You can see 1.1 BNB. It's going to take less than 10 minutes to arrive. And it generally takes 2 minutes for me to do this, okay? We're going to do this twice. We're going to do it once with BNB to Sui. I'm also going to use ETH on base chain to Sui as well. Now, depending on the partner that you choose, you might either be asked to send your BNB to a wallet address, or it will just do the exchange for you on your wallet, okay? So for this one that I chose, which was Rocket X Partner 2, It was the fastest one on option, and it just does it inside my wallet, which is perfect. Sometimes you may need to send the funds to an address that's prompted, and then they will send the funds to your Sui wallet address that you've left in that initial box that I showed you there. So it's being processed. That's it. One transaction. Then you can just watch it go through. Or we can, come back and do another swap, which I'm going to do. So again, I have the ETH here, which is on base chain. And there I have the SUI that I want to put in. And there I have my SUI address, which I want it to arrive on. And I'm connected at the top to my same wallet on EVM. And again, I just choose the partner that I want. You can see the fastest one is not the best price. I save $1 if I go for the best one. Or if I go for the fastest one, I don't save anything. I'm going to go fastest because I just want to make sure that I get these, because basically the amount I'm getting here is almost exactly the same. Okay, so for this one that I chose, then it does actually ask me to send tokens. Very easy. Okay, so we need to copy these, and it needs my base chain ETH. Base chain ETH 0.17 sent to this address. So it's waiting for me to send tokens. Let's go to MetaMask. Has a warning here saying this is the first time I've used this address, which is fine. I double check the wallet once again, and it looks all good. So then we just send those funds. Confirm. Okay, so that's us pretty much done for that. If the funds don't arrive, you can come back and check RocketX, check the past transaction to see what's happened, but I've never had a failure with RocketX yet. That's why I advise myself to use it. While we wait those couple minutes, just a couple bits of information on Swarm. So they have clarified how it's all going to work. The clarification on the agent sales license. When you purchase an agent license on the Swarm network, you'll receive two things. Number one, a locked license that starts earning your rewards immediately. And then an NFT to unlock your license after 6 months. So this means there's going to be at least a 6-month waiting period until we can get our hands on the tokens, I think, from this, which will be the time in which they fulfill their promise of completing the platform, getting the TGE ready, getting their partners and sexes for listing on, and as of course, launching the AI agent creation, which is the main thing I'm really interested in. The passive income is going to be great, but I really want the tools that this is also offering. Important, you cannot unlock your license without the NFT. So don't transfer the NFT to another wallet. You cannot buy an NFT from others because that won't actually get you any rewards. So just leave the NFT in the same wallet that you purchased it in, basically. If you want more information on this, you can check it out right there. What these offer you is that you will be able to own a swarm of autonomous agents with no-code tools or lease your license to AI agent devs on the marketplace. You can then operate. You can recruit the best agents on the market, grow your reputation, and earn a share from the network verification revenues with your AI license. And you can, of course, earn Swarm's native token on a daily basis and engage in network activities to unlock additional bonus distributions. Because of the way that these are set up, basically they are, it's similar to nodes in this way for the passive income part. So they have a daily reward pool of 1.8 million tokens, and people are buying these licenses. If on day one, only one person bought these licenses, they would get all 1.8 million tokens sent to their wallet on that first 24-hour day of tokens being sent. Of course, it won't just be one person. It might be 100, might be 200, might be 1,000, might be 5,000, right? We don't know, but always mathematically, it's just logic, right? The first day and first week of owning these licenses will get you the most tokens because it will have the least amount of people that own them, right? Of course. But over time, we want more and more people to buy these licenses so that, of course, there's more funding for the project. They have, a bigger impact on the Sui AI scene. And then when they do launch with the TGE and we can claim and trade the tokens, that is much, much hyped. Perfect storm is, for me, a pretty high buy-in day, but then continued amazing run-up of continued license purchasing as they keep going through and launching their AI license program, their no-code, and their marketplace and everything. It should get really exciting. So you can see our Sui has arrived. We now have 510 Sui tokens sitting in this wallet, which is $1,800, almost enough for 2 licenses, which is my goal. Now, we need to change the Sui token into USDC, which is pretty simple because we're going to use the largest liquidity DEX on Cetus, which is called, on Sui, which is called Cetus. So we come here, we access the DApp. Now, of course, this is a pretty interesting day to swap Sui into any kind of stable coin because, of course, the values have gone down so much. And there is also a play that you can think about of waiting for the recovery because we have gone from $105,000 to $98,000 in the space of 12 hours. Usually there's a bounce once this kind of impact hits. So you could see a recoil of the Bitcoin price. So you would go up in price and you could sell for more USDC. Or if you're like me, And I just do this every day anyway, so prices don't really matter if you're continually trading anyway. So for me, I'm not going to really pay attention to it. I'm just going to swap. From there, you can just take your SUI token and quickly swap them into USDC. Before I do that, I might just grab myself a little bit more SUI Trump. Why not? So I'm going to take 20 SUI, just DCA a little bit more. $69, very nice, of SUI Trump. SUI Trump is our token, of course, that we launched on SUI Chain. It is a Trump coin on SUI Trump. It's huge. Everybody wins. It's all about winning. And we have our own AI agent, which we run on Telegram and Twitter, and we've been working on it. And what I want to do is experiment with SUI Trump using the Swarm AI agent license as well, and see what we can create with that as well. I think that'll be a really fun experiment. So more content on that coming soon. But yeah, let me just get back to, the task at hand there. Get distracted by meme coins. Terrible. So first I'll swap 500, and I'll then have to find, another $200 to top myself up to 2,000 before the sale, of which we still have 1 more hour left. So I'll be back in the future. Be back in 1 hour. We're gonna make the purchase. All right, the timer is up, so now we need to get into it. So from the link in the description, we come to Connect Wallet. I will choose SUI Wallet to do this, as recommended. Okay, now it's brought up once my wallet is connected, and then I can come in and buy now. I say I've agreed to the terms. You can read the terms in your own time. I've read and agreed with the privacy policy, tier 1, and we can come in here. I go to buy now. What's going to happen is that 999 USDC will leave my wallet and go into purchasing my first license. And we're done. Let's get one more. Same thing will happen. Now, as more of these sell, then the price will go up. So that's why, of course, getting in early is better. As I said, also, you'll get more tokens in the first days of this as compared to later on. So you get a cheaper price, you get more tokens. That's what we want. Let's come here. We buy now. One more. For some reason, I'm trying to buy the second one, but it's not putting through the gas for me. So my advice would be, if you want to buy multiple, possibly go through in one buy, as opposed to there I was doing 2 just to show you how to do it. But I'm going to have to try and fix this offline, but that is how you buy. So you can see I have 1 active here, and I'm going to have to fix how I get the second one. The rewards will start coming in here, and the rewards breakdown will come here, and transaction history will be at the bottom right there. So that is how we get our AI agent license done. Okay, peace. Hope you enjoyed this video on how to buy yourself the AI agent license. I've been Crypto Mischief, and I can't wait to get going with this platform and build my AI agents. Can't wait to see what you guys are building too, and get yourself into the Swarm Telegram. They will have an AMA, which is coming up right now, where you can also join in the discussion and learn more about this project. Do your own research before buying. This is not financial advice. You need to make your own decisions on all your crypto and DeFi investments. What's good for you, and what you think will be a profitable and interesting, engaging experience for you in the future. Okay, peace. Crypto Mischief. Be good to each other. See you soon. Don't get wrecked. Xin Nian Kuai Le.